Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another application guide video. In this application guide video, we're going to give you details about the Government of Japan Remote Internship Program. The Government of Japan Remote Internship, also known as the METI Japan Internship Program, this program aims to be a platform for global talent and an opportunity for university students and highly skilled professionals to help in facilitating the overseas expansion and development of Japanese companies, mainly small and medium scale. The internship throughout 2 courses aims to achieve 3 main goals: knowledge building of development and expansion of overseas businesses, expanding and creating new networks with overseas universities in order to secure foreign high-skilled professionals, and garnering and learning from the foreign talent remotely. It is important to note that the Government of Japan internship will take place online. In order to combat with the inflow and outflow of the internees, it will be a telework type internship program funded by the Japanese government. METI internship program aims to hire international students to encourage the overseas development of Japanese businesses. The program schedule: Course A, Satellite Office-based internship in 6 countries. There are 12 satellite offices chosen and internees can go there and continue with the internship. Offices are in the following countries: Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, and Cambodia. Course B is the work from home. The eligibility criteria of the Japan Internship Program: OECD residents can apply. Skilled professionals outside of Japan can also apply. People from China cannot apply for this program. Who have already been a part of this internship program are not eligible. Mandatory to have N3 knowledge proficiencies in either English or Japanese. Be willing to work for the Japanese business for promoting international and overseas trade. Be available to work 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. Submit a university or school enrollment certificate or a graduation certificate. A letter of recommendation from the respective institutes is also required. The benefits of the internship program: intercultural awareness and network building, remote internship, participation certificate. The host will provide facilities like a telephone to the internees. Course A internees will get internship insurance. An allowance equivalent to 40,000 yen will be provided to Course A internees if they complete the course. Required documents to apply for the internship program: a scanned copy of your passport, your photographs, language proficiency certificate, letter of recommendation. A student enrollment should also be provided. The application process is simple. Applicants can register for the Government of Japan internship by filling the online form. Selection will be made after the document screening. 2 interviews will be conducted, first in the native language, English and Japanese. The second will be in English and Japanese as well. To apply for this internship program, click on Apply Now in the application process section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the intern application form. Read the information and click on I confirm those contents. Please check each box that apply to your application. If you do not meet all the requirements, you will not be able to apply. You are agreed with the purpose of this project and cooperate with the promotion of internationalization of Japanese companies, expansion of overseas business, and network building with overseas universities. If you agree, tick the checkbox. You're a citizen or resident in an OECD DAC listed country. Click here to check the list. The internship you want to apply for: Course A workspace based or Course B home based. In case you choose both Course A and Course B, both activity conditions are met. Check the box. You must be able to commit to an internship at an event hosted by JIP office and a designated workspace or home. You can communicate in Japanese or English. You have not participated in the internship activities of this project in the past. However, if you have applied before but not selected, you can apply again. You can obtain a letter of recommendation from a director or supervisor at school or work. You can submit a document which passport and certifies academic qualification. You can receive documents to be sent from program office in Japan. Handling of personal information. Read the privacy policy and then click on I agree to the above contents. Matters to be attended, you have to also read these. Your personal information, your given name, your family name, your middle name, mother language, and Japanese katakana, your date of birth, your gender, your nationality, your mother language, place of residence, email, your phone number, plan of moving, and the internship schedule. Then you have to give education background and employment history. You have to give your current status, select from the drop-down list, highest education qualification, your field of study and research, summary of studies, other education background. Then you have to give your employment history, name of company, current status, location, type of business, job category. This is not necessary, but if you want to fill this form, you can. Job type experience that can be utilized for the internship. You have to give 3 options, select from the drop-down list. Then your language skills, English language skill level, your Japanese language skill level, Japanese language proficiency test, the Japanese language NAT test, and other language skills. Other skills and experience, if you have any, you can select. Your IT skills, an information source, how did you know about this program? Reason for application, please explain the reason why you decided to apply for the Japan internship program. Purpose of application, plan after the internship program. Concerning matters, activity at the company handling alcohol. Are you interested in doing an internship at a host company that makes you handle alcohol products? And special consideration. After filling in this form, you have to click on Next. To move to the document submission section, you have to submit the documents and then click on Submit, and your application will be submitted and you won't be able to edit any data. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.